29 forecast.
Well, we're in the twilight now. We average just over 10 hours of daylight, and that continues to slip away until we get past the winter solstice. Temperatures this afternoon, after a cold start this morning in the 20s and 30s, rebounded for many of us in the low 60s. 56 is the current number. We have a southerly wind at 6, very light. We do have a weak front, a dry front, that will come through here over the next few hours. 56 also at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Began the morning down in the 20s, afternoon highs in the low 60s. Some other readings at this hour include 50 in Louisa, 55 there in Palmyra, 58 there in Waynesboro, and 61 currently in Harrisonburg. Temperatures tonight still plenty cold, just not quite as cold as it was this morning. Most of us will see numbers in the lower 30s across the region. And then as we move into Tuesday, temperatures similar to where they were this afternoon. Most of us in the low 60s. That's despite a front that comes through this evening. It's really just a wind shift, if you will. So a pleasant day here for your Tuesday. Now looking ahead, Wednesday will feature more clouds, cooler numbers. We'll have more of a northeasterly wind, and we'll have a storm system down across the southeast that'll bring some cloudiness our way. And then really the pick of the week will be Thursday, with temperatures nearing 70 degrees with a good amount of sunshine. So these temperatures are close to or just above average, except with Wednesday. So our rain chance this week is really centered on Friday evening, Friday night, and then potentially next week leading up to Thanksgiving, there could be a larger East Coast storm, and we'll watch the timing on that. But in the meantime, things are pretty quiet. Maybe some high clouds. A front will come through, but a little fanfare with that. There is some ongoing showers across portions of upstate New York. You get into New Jersey, and then you get a little bit of snow as you get into portions of New England. But essentially the front comes through dry for us. Different story across the southeast as we work down toward East Texas, up into Louisiana along the coast here. There'll be an area of low pressure that'll kind of skirt off toward Florida and then emerge off the southeast coast. It does appear over the next several days that that system does not really bring deep moisture our way for the end of the week, and that would be for Friday. So temperatures in the morning will start in the cold and frosty 30s, and then we'll have a good amount of sunshine, some high clouds, temperatures for most of us in the low 60s, and then a little bit more cloud cover here on Wednesday. A cold start in the morning, but a lot more clouds around, basically an easterly wind and a system, again, bringing some rain down across East Texas and the southeast coast will be close by. And then our rain chance centers on Friday with the next cold front approaching and some moisture working along the coast. But right now, it doesn't look a whole lot promising in terms of a lot of rain. Probably, again, a tenth to maybe a quarter of an inch, if that. Temperatures here tonight in the low to middle 30s across much of the region. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Little fluctuations with the numbers, with Wednesday being the coolest day, and then Thursday really nice with temperatures nearing 70. Even more clouds on Friday still brings temperatures in the upper 60s. Then we'll start to cool off a bit as we progress through the weekend.